Check the gauge on the wall, and the temperature is fluctuating.
It's within acceptable parameters, but monitor the flow rate closely.
The fraction analysis is complete. Everything is within spec.
Good. We can authorize the transfer to the main blending tank.
The chromatography results confirm high purity levels for the protein isolate.
Excellent. We can proceed with the cosmetic formulation trials. Here in the formulation tanks, the refined protein is carefully blended with purified water and other cosmetic raw materials.
The reactors are maintaining the exact temperature gradient required for the refined protein synthesis. Good. The cooling cycle should initiate smoothly now. The pressure is holding steady at 25.
Good, the bubbles are completely gone now.
Viscosity is within acceptable parameters.
Confirmed. The pH level is stable at 6.2.
The flow rate on tank 3 is steady, but the temperature is slightly elevated. Noted. Keep monitoring the viscosity levels every 15 minutes. Here we see the automated air rinsing process. Filtered air ensures each bottle is perfectly sanitized before moving to the filling line. The wrap tension looks optimal on this one.
Data confirms flawless stabilization, ready for shipment.
In this facility, the refined bovine-derived protein shampoo is processed by automated cranes, ensuring maximum efficiency and precision.
We need to divert the next pallet to gate 3. Confirmed. Adjusting the manifest now.
Bring that pallet to bay 3. Watch your clearance on the left.
All units, convoy is rolling. Keep the bays clear.
Confirmed. Trailer 4 is secure.
That will be $22.50. You can use the terminal right here.